Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView push notification not working. Mobile notification fix. So the step 1 is you can simple enable the notification inside your TradingView. So once you open your TradingView application, you can simple press the menu button in the right side of your bottom navigation bar. Then press the setting icon at the top side and now click on push notification and make sure that all kind of push notification will be enabled. If these are disabled, you can simple tap the button like this to enable the push notification. Also the alerts. The step 2 is to allow notification on your systems, on your device system. So you can go to the app list, long press on the TradingView application, go to app info. Now here you can go to permission and now give them a notification permission. If the notification permission will be disabled, so you will not get any kind of notification. Okay, the step 3 is you can simple check your internet and background data. So ensure you are connected with a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your network is weak, you can simple try to switch your network, or you can try to change your network, like connect with other Wi-Fi network. And the last step is you can simple sign out and re-login again. Okay, and then give them the permissions. Also, if still facing issue, so reinstall the app and then allow them all kind of notification permission from the starting. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.